and welcome to Lauren's Travels. This is going to be the first in a series highlighting Orlando's own small business owners. I'm going to focus on 3 today, but first I wanted to show you some of my visit to the Bazaar Botanica this past Sunday. I got to visit one of the small business owners that I will be discussing later. Her name is Lex, and she runs Frondezvouz. So let me show you my visit first, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about the creators I'm highlighting today. And here we are, right at the entrance to Bazaar Botanica. You can take a cute little photo here. And this is at the Ivanhoe Park, as you can see, and masks are required. So this is one of the businesses I'll be talking to you later about, but this is Frondezvouz, and my friend Lex is the owner. Hi, Lex.
Hi.
Are you excited for today?
I'm so excited. It's really good to be here.
Yeah, and you're lucky you have the covering too.
Oh man, necessary.
It's very hot. But these are some of what she's selling today. Ooh, and there's a dog. She's got these cute little cheeses that are new. Lex has a 3D printer, so she makes all of these pots herself, which is really cool. I love this little pumpkin. So cool. And I don't know if you could tell on camera, but these colors are very bright and they really pop. So if you are into plants and you want to get a cute little pot or even a plant as well, Lex is your go-to. So I'm at another booth here. Lots of stickers and fun masks. I do find myself needing more masks, so might end up getting one. And Mama Fu Creations. How long has Mama Fu been around?
Probably ever since this all started.
Yeah? You got motivated to make some masks?
Exactly.
It definitely, like, is time consuming. Get your mind off things.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I do so much. There's so many designs.
There's kind of a lot for everyone here. We have candles, and we have these really cool wood art. Let's see some of this wood art. I love those little coffins. And the company is called A Slow Burn. I like that they have hand sanitizer. Oh, these are so cute with the little fringe. Very, very cool. And they also have food trucks here, so that was kind of unexpected. I didn't know that they would have food here. And there's also a little smoothie station too. How long have you been around with your business?
So I've been selling my art for like over 10 years now.
Oh wow.
But I just started an Etsy shop this year.
Very cool.
All my stickers are in there. It's gonna be, you said 2? This week's 6. 5. Okay. Do you want to help me with the card?
And these are some prices. The giant woodcut. And they have hand-painted cards as well, which everyone should be trying to do their best to support the postal service right now. I bought some cute stamps, so if you want a cute postcard, let me know. Overall, it is a little busy, but there's so much space that it's able to social distance and keep cool as much as we can, like those people there. There is a bar here, so you can also get a beer as well as the tacos and everything that they're selling, and lots of dogs, which I like to see. What I like is there are a lot of artists here that are selling what they make. These are really cool. And it is Strings and Things by Leah. Very, very intricate artwork. I like that butterfly one. And this is just some more of their artwork here. The astronaut is awesome. And there's a little sloth. And that was our visit to the Bazaar Botanica. So like I said, my friend Lex was there, and she does have her business Frondezvouz, which has been around for about a year now. Lex will find and sell plants, but her specialty is also these 3D printed pots that she makes. And eventually she'll be able to accept custom orders as well. She's working on her website right now, so I'm going to update this video in the description box when that's live, but I'll also put her Instagram down in the description box below in case you're interested and want to get something for yourself. If you're Orlando or Florida local, she can send you plants, but as of right now, she would only be able to send out pots if you live outside of Florida. I really appreciate Lex's business ethic, and you can tell that she really does care, and this is something that really does genuinely make her happy. And I really admire people like that who have the strength and drive to go for their goals and their dreams and not give up. One of Lex's goals is to have a small retail space of her own. And if you guys watched my Halloween in July video, you have seen me show off this Chucky Finster planter. And the plant was given to me by Lex at Frondezvouz. So this is a pencil cactus. Eventually it's gonna have some color coming through, but it's just a little baby right now. So yeah, Lex does custom orders like these, where if you already have your own planter, that works too. But yeah, I think her planters are pretty cool too, so I would suggest getting both from her. Just in June, she was able to help raise money for both the NAACP Legal Defense Fund and Reclaim the Block for the Black Lives Matter movement. So that's another thing. I really want to highlight businesses that also are donating. I think that's really important. It is kind of hard to make it on your own, but when you have that goodwill there, it's easy to help support. The next business I want to highlight is Black Lab Soapery, and this is run by Christina, who I got to kind of meet over email. She's actually been operating the Black Lab Soapery for 10 years. Her business is dedicated after her dog Yoda, who passed away shortly after the business really started to kick off. So because her dog was very important to her and is the whole brand, she donates to a lot of animal charities, which I am all for. Her business has helped animal organizations like Shampooch and the Pet Alliance, but she has also made donations through her company to the Loveland Foundation as well. Her company actually started out just selling jewelry, like with resin, but after a while she started to notice that it really dried out her hands, and so she really started making products for hands specifically, like moisturizing products and soaps and things like that. She developed keratoconus, I hope I'm saying that right, after graduating cosmetology school. So really her drive became, I need to make products that are natural and good for skin. She's also a woman of color, so that's another thing. I really do want to highlight businesses run by women of color, as well as small family-owned businesses. The last business I'm highlighting in today's video is Sugar and Geek Candle, run by Melissa. Melissa started making candles about 12 years ago. She was inspired by a sugar cookie candle that her sister got her and wanted to start making them on her own. She realized that candle making is a science. She actually went through a lot of trial and error in getting the candles just right. She was featured on popsugar.com when someone noticed her Instagram post for one of her most popular candle sets, the Foul Mouth Wizards. And I actually have one, so I'm gonna get it and show you. This is the I Don't Give a Griffin Damn. So this is one of the candles from that line. You can see I've already started to use it. And yeah, she's also made a lot of butterbeer candles as well. So yeah, go check her out. Melissa's goal is to be as big as Bath & Body Works one day. All of these small business owners, I will leave all of their websites and information down in the description box below, so please make sure to check them out and support Orlando's own. And I'll see you next time on Lauren's Travels. Bye!